Well, from one family bastion to another, the Samajwadi Party has fielded Dimple Yadav in Mainpuri. The Samajwadi Party has never lost this seat since the party first won in the year 1996. Shivani Bajaj now joins us from Mainpuri itself. Shivani, there are 10 seats in Uttar Pradesh. This is one of the VIP seats. That's what psephologists are calling it. Tell us more. Is the BJP confident at all of turning this SP tide, especially as far as Mainpuri is concerned?
Well, Ashmit, it's an interesting contest that is going to happen on all the 10 seats that are going to polls tomorrow here in Uttar Pradesh. These 10 seats include not just Mainpuri, but Bareilly, Agra, Etah. All of these are VIP seats. But yes, Mainpuri remains the focus where Dimple Yadav is going to take BJP's Jaiveer Singh and BSP's candidate, which is a Yadav candidate again, Shiv Prasad Yadav, head on. Now, let's understand, Uttar Pradesh's these 10 seats are very important because last time in 2019, as you said, BJP had won 8 of these seats and 2 were won by Samajwadi Party. 2 of them were, one was Sambhal and one was Mainpuri. Mainpuri has always been the very stronghold of Samajwadi Party, and it's not from today, it's from 1996. Since then, when Mulayam Singh Yadav used to contest from this seat, and since then Samajwadi Party has never lost this seat. Now, last time in 2022 by polls is when Dimple Yadav filled in this the shoes of Mulayam Singh Yadav after his demise, and this is the first time after 2022 that Dimple Yadav will be elected or will be contesting from this seat in Mainpuri. Now, it's not going to be a cakewalk this time for Samajwadi Party. Let's understand why is that. Because Samajwadi Party has always eyed and won the Yadav votes here in Mainpuri. But this time, BSP, which is the Bahujan Samaj Party, has also fielded Shiv Prasad Yadav, which is who's a Yadav contestant from Mainpuri. So, Yadav has already been taking digs at Samajwadi Party and saying that the party has not prioritized the Yadav votes here in Mainpuri. In his election campaign, he has taken digs, as I said, and said that the only Yadavs that are getting tickets from Mainpuri or anywhere else in Uttar Pradesh are the family members of Mulayam Singh Yadav. So this is going to be difficult for Dimple Yadav this time around, clearly. But the third contestant is also very important here. Ashmit, understand that BJP's Jaiveer Singh is an important candidate in this fight because he's the sitting minister. He's the Minister of Tourism and Culture in the cabinet of UPCM Yogi Adityanath. So he's also a very important candidate in this fight. And making the situation more complex is another factor here, which I'm going to tell you, is the fact that there is a huge percentage of vote when it comes to the Shakya community here in Mainpuri, and that is being targeted by the BJP. So it's not going to be a very easy fight this time for Samajwadi Party, even though they have been here for the longest time and they've never lost the Mainpuri seat. But it's going to be a very, very interesting contest tomorrow, Ashmit. So we are looking forward to it. And tomorrow is when Mainpuri and the other 9 important seats from Uttar Pradesh are going to polls in the third phase of the Lok Sabha elections tomorrow. Back to you.